Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here's our 2016 Kia Forte. This car is very clean. It was a one-owner car. It was personal owned. It was not a rental car. Car has tons of factory warranty left on it and very low miles. This car has less than 28,000 miles on it right now. And as you can see, that is very, very clean. Car has keyless entry. And the one thing I like with the Forte is that you get tons of trunk room. For a car that gets awesome gas mileage, it's got a tremendous amount of trunk space here. You see that you do have your quick releases for your seat backs, which will fold down into a 60-40 split, opens up and allows you to haul about anything you need to haul. And again, the lines on the Forte are very, very sharp. For a smaller car, it really has a mid-size feel. You see that inside you do have plenty of room there, and it'll actually seat 3 passengers pretty comfortably. Of course, you do have your power options. This one does have the height adjustable seat. And of course, you do have your side airbags. This one has the econo mode, which is going to maximize your fuel economy. You have duplicate audio controls. This one does have Bluetooth and Bluetooth stream, which allows you to stream your music straight to your radio from your phone. And you can also answer your calls from your steering wheel without ever touching your phone. So you do have the premium audio. You do have your auxiliary inputs and USB input. Of course, this one is the automatic. Now, again, even in an automatic, this car is going to get 26 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon on the highway. That's pretty huge. This car rides very, very comfortable. Once you get in it and drive it, you're going to have a hard time believing that this is a 39 mile per gallon car. With fuel prices going up like they are, that's pretty important, guys. Again, tons of factory warranty, one personal owner, and no processing fees. Come down here, take this thing for a test drive, fall in love with it. I know one test drive, you're gonna love how this thing rides and handles. Stop by anytime. You can call or text us at 540-433-7335. Thanks for stopping by.